Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO G70 laptop, and today I will show you how to restore access to your account if you forgot your PIN number. So if you forgot your PIN and you want to restore the access, you'll have to use this button over here, whether you created your account locally or using a Microsoft account. If you don't see this button right here, you might want to input your PIN a couple of times, and if you don't succeed, you'll see this button anyway. Now, after you tap on it, maybe a couple of times, sometimes it doesn't work at the first attempt. So once you tap on it, if you created your account locally, you will see a list of questions that you asked yourself when creating a local account. Now you'll have to type the answers to these questions, and if you answer them correctly, Microsoft will let you change the password on your laptop. And if you can't remember the answers to these questions, then you'll not be able to restore the password without reinstalling your Windows with using USB. And we have plenty of videos on our channel explaining on how to do that. So if you're stuck in a situation like this, surely go check them out. But if you created your account using your Microsoft account like me, then in this case you'll simply have to log in into your Microsoft account. If you forgot your password, just go ahead and click right here. In my case, I'll just enter the password and press enter to sign in. Right now we'll have to verify our identity using our Gmail on another device. So just click verify your identity. Sometimes you may also be able to use your phone number. In this case, you'll get a message on your phone. Now we'll have to enter the security code that we received from the Microsoft on our Gmail account. So check your Gmail account, your mail, and you'll see this number right there. Now, once you enter the code right here, click verify, and just wait for a moment, press continue, and the last thing you'll have to do is to enter your PIN once again. Now, this time make sure that you remember it, confirm, and press OK. And after that, we'll get the access to our account, so it will automatically log into it. And that's basically all. But if you didn't succeed with some of the steps and something enabled you to get access to your PC, and you have no choice but to perform a factory reset, then go ahead and check the video on how to reinstall Windows from USB on our channel. But for today, this is all. I hope that I helped you. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.